It's Friday morning, the 9th of February, and I want to recap my AMD swing trade that I got out of this morning. So you can see here that I bought it yesterday right before the close, and my sell was this morning in the pre-market. Did pretty well in this swing trade, covered $3,200. You can see that it opened lower than where I sold it in the pre-market, so that's pretty good. So let me show you guys how I found this swing trade. Alright, so before we get started, I do want to let you guys know that on top of AMD, we did also recommend American Airlines and Amazon for a swing trade yesterday on our Discord server. Now in a minute, I'll explain how you guys can get on this Discord server to get our top 3 swing trade picks, and also how to learn our swing trading strategy. But first, let's break down this AMD swing trade. So if you look here on the minute chart, you can see that my entry was right before the close yesterday. I got in around 128.2, and my exit this morning was pretty much right at 7 a.m. I got out at around 130.2, giving me roughly about 1.55% on AMD here. That's pretty good. I couldn't have done much better. If I held it a little longer, maybe I could have gotten another 0.5% out of it, but since I had way more than my 1% goal, I decided just to take it and be really happy. And I'm not going to risk $3,200 when I already have it there, so that's really why I covered at 7. So let me show you guys why I thought this was a good swing trade. You can see that every time AMD has had this green daily, it has had a pretty good gapping pattern. This one I don't really count. It's more of a doji here where it failed. You can see that it's gapped pretty well off of these green dailies. This doesn't count, sorry. This is an earnings day, so I wouldn't count that. But these prior days, you see that there is a good gapping pattern on AMD off of these green dailies. We did play these days before, so knowing that AMD has worked for us in the past, we decided to play it again. And you can see it did exactly as expected. So this gapping pattern on AMD is looking pretty good, and we'll probably keep playing it until it decides to fail or it doesn't look too good anymore. But another reason why I felt pretty good about AMD and why I decided to go full volume on this swing trade is I looked at the indexes here and I saw that the Dow Jones here was green on the day yesterday, so was the S&P, and as well the NASDAQ. So because I saw all these indexes were green, I have seen a good upwards momentum now with all 3 of the indexes. I felt pretty good that AMD was going to gap. I hope this breakdown was helpful for you guys. If you want to learn how to swing trade, check out our swing trading tutorial at the end of this video. Also, make sure you guys join our Discord server, Sleep Easy Trades. Here's where I share my top 3 swing trade picks 15 minutes before the market closes. You can also ask us any questions about swing trading on here. You can find the Discord server link in the description below.